We're still talking about the music of Mujhse Friendship Karoge with the cast of the film and a song called Baatein Shuru.
चलो चलो
One of the songs that kicks off the film is actually Baatein Shuru. I believe that's a song that's been picturized on your character and it's about your character.
Yeah.
So what was it like shooting for this song?
The song Baatein Shuru actually was one song that was endless. We shot it from the first day of the shoot to the last day of the shoot, and then there was still something that was left. We were always shooting
Why?
that song.
What happened?
It was because it's been lots of small shots put together.
Okay.
So we were constantly in every location shooting this song. So it was endless. Okay, this is a great place. Let's shoot a bit of the chat song here. If there's a great place, let's shoot a bit of Baatein Shuru out here.
Again, they're online personalities. Vishal and Preeti now are chatting with Rahul. So Preeti is chatting with Rahul, pretending to be Malvika. Vishal is chatting with Malvika, pretending to be Rahul, not knowing that these two guys are actually chatting with each other. So, and how the chat is consuming their lives. So how their online life versus their offline life, and these virtual emotions versus their real emotions, how they sort of come together and stuff.
Who sung that song?
Oh, that was, I would say it was a blessing for me and for the song itself. Shefali came to the studio and I gave her a melody and she just made it her own. She never sang what I wanted to sing, her to sing. She just changed the melody, whatever, twisted the nuances which I had originally composed. She really brought her own flavor. And along with Shefali was Joy Barua, another folk singer from Assam who is based in Bombay. And he brought another color altogether. And both of them as a combination are so contrasting but yet so together. It just brings out those two characters which are in the film itself, who are contrasting characters but yet made for each other kind of a thing.
Anvita's written the lyrics, Anvita Dutt. Beautiful, beautiful. Dil mein jo udti firti teri baatein ho. It's just like, you know, talking about the virtual online chat with like hawa mein baatein ho rahi hain. Actually to hawa mein hi baatein ho rahi hai. Dil mein jo udti firti teri baatein ho, but it's actually you're sending it out online.
I have to tell you, man. I have to tell you, Raghu, I wasn't very happy with the voices on that song. I was actually quite disappointed. So I actually had some other singers sing that song, and I think that they've done a much better job of it. In fact, there's 4 of them, and we're gonna show that to you right now.
Oh shit!
Much better version of Baatein Shuru. Just like
Let's go for
a couple of lines.
गिन लो जो आसमान में कितने तारे हैं, लिख दूं कुछ उल्टा पुल्टा उसके बारे में, तुम भी कुछ कह दो ना अपने बारे में, जाने दो सोचो ना क्या बोलूं, चलो हो जाने दो बातें शुरू.